You shouldn't be creating new content every day just to stay consistent on social media. Posting daily, especially if it isn't your full-time job, is a recipe for burnout. If you're trying to promote a blog, business, online shop, or affiliate links, you don't need more ideas or more work. You just need a better system. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. Today, we're talking about how to create consistent content on social media, more specifically, how you can create around 100 posts in 10 minutes without pumping out AI garbage or reinventing the wheel every day. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use your existing content to make posts your followers actually want to see, which platforms make sense for your business, how to automate the workflow, and who this system works for and doesn't. I'll also walk you through a real-life example so you can see how one piece of content can turn into a full month of posts in just a few minutes. All right, let's get into it. If you're watching this video, you probably have a problem staying consistent on social media. Am I right? You might have good intentions, but something always trips you up. And honestly, lack of consistency is the #1 reason most people give up on their social media marketing. Today, we're here to fix that. Usually, this comes down to 3 problems. First, you don't know how to make the content. You don't know which platforms to use, image sizes, formatting, captions, templates, even how to use Canva or an editor is a lot. Second, you run out of ideas. You've already created the product, wrote the blog, talked to clients all day, and now you're supposed to come up with new ideas and new things to post about? Don't worry, I've got you on this. And third, you don't have the time. You're running a business, helping customers, shipping orders, doing the actual work. So posting online just keeps getting pushed to later until later turns into never. So consistency becomes the thing that just never sticks. And if you're here, you already know that that matters. Maybe you want platforms to trust your posting rhythm and share your content more. Maybe you want buyers to trust your business. Or maybe you just have useful information that you actually want people to see. So whether you fall into problem 1, 2, 3, or all of them, when I say you can make 100 posts in 10 minutes, that's the problem I'm solving today. If you already have content or products you want to share, then this is for you. So this method works best for people to blog, online shop, or service-based business who want active accounts with useful information, not people trying to become influencers or chase viral growth. Because growing an account and maintaining an account are completely different strategies. So if your goal is trending posts and TikTok dances or follower spikes, that's gonna need constant attention and not what I'm teaching today. But if your goal is to consistently share helpful content across multiple platforms without it taking your whole day, then this system will make sense. So let's walk through what this actually looks like. I'm gonna save us both a ton of time and skip the fluff. The tool I recommend for this is called Content Generator. And for this to work, you need existing content. That could be blog posts, products, service pages, or even useful industry articles that you want to share. Ideally, you have at least 4 or 5 pieces of content per month. We're also gonna share these across multiple platforms: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and X. So you don't have to use all of them, but for this example, we will. And before we open the tool, let's make this 100 post claim make sense. Let's say you created 5 pieces of content last month, maybe 1 blog post every week. This month, we're gonna distribute it. We're gonna share it across all your platforms. So in week 1, we'll share those 5 pieces of content Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then we're gonna create a new angle for each one. Maybe a different title, maybe a different caption, maybe a different opening image. And on week 2, we're gonna share those variations again. We're gonna repeat that process 2 more times across the month. So there are 5 original posts, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, have 4 variations each, making 20 posts to share. We're gonna multiply that across 5 platforms, so 20 times 5 is 100 pieces of content. And don't worry, this won't overwhelm your audience. If you saw the same article once on the first week and then a different angle of it 2 weeks later, you probably wouldn't even notice. Most people won't see every post anyways because that's just how the feeds work. So you're not spamming people, you're just increasing your chances that the right person actually sees your content. So you're taking the content you already made and finally distributing it consistently. So once you understand that, now the tool makes sense. Let's open up the platform and I'll show you how it works. You're gonna wanna head to contentgenerator.io, and here you'll notice there are 2 ways to create content. The first is very similar to Pin Generator if you already use that. You can drop in any URL, sitemap, or product link, and Content Generator will scan your site and create ready-to-post content for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and X. It will then pull your titles, images, and descriptions automatically and format them according to your chosen templates, brand colors, and selected platform. I'll show you more of that in a second, but I want to introduce the second option as well because this one is the really awesome time-saving one. And this is how to automate your content creation. So this lets you create a full month of posts at once and have them delivered to your inbox for review and scheduling. Both options get you in the same place, scheduled posts across a month, but the second one removes any day-to-day work completely. So let's walk through that automated option first. You're gonna click Automate Your Content Creation and walk through a few quick steps. You'll add your website, connect your social profiles, and choose how often you wanna post on each platform. You can pick posting frequency, days of the week, time zones, even define a posting window. Next, you'll choose from ready-made template packs to keep your visuals consistent across every platform, or you can add your own. Then we're gonna set your AI preferences. You can pick your tone of voice to be casual, friendly, professional, sarcastic. Decide whether to include hashtags or link, and you can add your brand colors too. Finally, you're gonna preview everything and make sure you like how it looks, then hit generate. Your first generation is free to try, and once it's ready, you'll get an email letting you know that your content's ready to review, edit, and schedule, all in one place. Now let's go back to method number 1 so I can show you what the generate page actually looks like if you want more manual control. Again, similar to Pin Generator, you just paste in your blog post, product page, or website URL and click Generate My Post. Right away, you'll be asked to choose templates. You can choose 1, 2, however many you want. These are just starting points and you can change them later. There's an entire template library that you can access. Next, choose your colors. They'll suggest several color palettes, but you can also set your own brand colors up at the top and everything's customizable. Then you'll want to choose which images to use. Once it generates, you'll land on the main generate page. On the left, you'll see how many posts were created. For this example, this one generated 30 posts, which means 6 per platform. You can remove platforms you're not using, regenerate posts, and change the URLs too. Along the screen, you'll see the different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and X. Each post follows the same branding style from the templates you picked and pulls from the page title and description too. If we open up this side-hand panel, you can also change the fonts and colors globally. You can also swap templates, and there are a lot of them, including platform-specific ones. You can also add extra images if you want certain photos included, and there are stock image options where you can add more images there too. There are AI tools to rewrite titles, descriptions, or create variations of existing ones you already have. Now let's click into a post using the pencil icon. Here you can edit the post title, rewrite it with AI if you want variations, adjust the caption text, confirm the outbound link, choose the posting date, and select which connected account it should publish to. So if we're doing 4 variations for the 4 weeks of the month, like in our example, we can generate fewer posts or remove the 2 extra ones that were automatically generated. This gives you full control while still saving you from building every post manually. If you'd like to see a full 30-minute tutorial explaining all of this step by step, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. And if you're finally ready to create consistent content on social media, I'd encourage you to try Content Generator today. Like I mentioned, the first generation is free to try, and you can play around with the Generate page for free to understand the tool and see if it fits your workflow. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest and social media marketing tutorials to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.